So here's the question for today. Is this the goofiest, most odd idea for a roofing truck in Tulsa? You let me know. I want to show you what we've done here. And so I'm going to put my truck together with my truck magnets that I've got here. And I'm going to let you see me do it. And you tell me what you think. Is it the oddest, stupidest, craziest, good looking? I don't know what. You tell me what's going on and let me know. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a beautiful day. See Mr. Bluebird's on my shoulder. Beautiful day. See Mr. Bluebird's on my shoulder. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory. All right, guys. Well, anyway, that's what we got. This is the Roofing Guys trucker. And what it looks like. What do you think? I thought about getting a wrap, but I couldn't make up my mind on what kind of wrap. And when you put a wrap, it's kind of permanent. So give us some feedback. This is just the Roofing Guys. Thanks a lot.